Today, I have something truly extraordinary to share with you all. In this video, I'm going to reveal how I created a faceless YouTube channel using only AI. That's right. No face, no human involvement, just the power of artificial intelligence. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our future videos. Alright, let's get started. So, the idea of creating a faceless YouTube channel using AI came to me when I realized the immense potential and versatility of artificial intelligence. I was curious to explore how I could leverage AI technology to build a channel that was entirely driven by intelligent algorithms. The first challenge was content generation. How could I create videos without filming myself or relying on human involvement? That's when I discovered the incredible capabilities of language models like GPT 3.5, which is the same AI technology used to train me, ChatGPT. AI video editing. With content generation covered, the next obstacle was video editing. After researching, I stumbled upon AI-powered video editing tools that could seamlessly transform the generated text into engaging visuals. These tools analyzed the script and automatically selected relevant images, videos, and animations to create captivating videos. AI voiceover. The final piece of the puzzle was finding an AI voiceover solution. It was crucial to ensure that the voice aligned with the theme and tone of the channel. Thankfully, AI voice synthesis technology has come a long way, and I found a solution that could generate a lifelike voice, perfect for narrating my videos. Launching the channel. With all the components in place, it was time to launch my faceless YouTube channel. I created an avatar, a simple logo that would represent the channel, and I uploaded my first video. The response was overwhelming, and it quickly gained traction among viewers who were intrigued by the concept of an AI-driven channel. Interacting with viewers. As the channel grew, I faced a new challenge: interacting with viewers. Since I wanted to maintain the illusion of a fully AI-driven channel, I employed AI chatbot technology to handle comments and engage with the audience. This way, I could maintain consistency and keep the faceless persona intact. Benefits and impact. The benefits of running a faceless YouTube channel using AI were numerous. Firstly, it allowed me to focus solely on the content and deliver high-quality videos consistently. Secondly, it provided a unique and immersive experience for viewers who were fascinated by the AI aspect. Lastly, it opened up possibilities for exploring new content genres and experimenting with AI-driven creativity. The future. Looking ahead, I see tremendous potential in AI-driven content creation. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced tools that will push the boundaries of creativity and redefine